my last video I said that was Cadmium Free, but it's actually Scarlet Lake. That's Cadmium Free Scarlet. That's Cadmium Scarlet, which had some issues with moisture with the paper. This one is Cadmium Red. And it has a very notable stench about it, which we've evidenced in all the observations if they've been over a period of time. That's where we're at the moment. Next one is Cadmium Free Red. So that's going to come out. Yes. It's going to behave for us. Hasn't really grabbed a hold of this paper in the same way, but it has on the edges. And it's starting to get some nice staining that's happening here, which has been indicative of the cadmium free colours as opposed to the traditional cadmiums where they've granulated but not had these almost like tidal marks.